The basics of trading involve buying assets and selling them at a higher price. Your investments are shown here. We call these positions. A position tracks a certain amount of a certain coin that you've bought. These positions all have made a profit, as you can see. I can find more information about them here, which includes the reason why it was bought. I can simply sell them by clicking this button, or even sell them all by selecting the positions and selling them in bulk. How about buying? We've designed the advanced view specifically for people that like to trade manually. Click here to switch to the advanced view. This might look complicated, but it's actually quite simple. Let's try to buy some Bitcoin. As you can see, I have USDT on my account. I'm going to convert my USDT into Bitcoin, so I'll need to select a USDT Bitcoin pair. Here, you can create your order. You'll first have to consider whether you want to place a market or a limit order. The difference is simple. A market order is filled quickly because you use the current price of the market. Note that this can be very expensive if you're using a coin with a lack of liquidity. With a limit order, you determine the price and the order is only filled if the price drops to the price you have indicated. Ideal if you want to prepare orders for a certain price. For convenience, we'll go for a market order. Here, you can select how much of your total portfolio you want to invest in Bitcoin. You can also enter a specific amount. What you see here is quite unique. You can immediately give some interesting assignments to your order. For example, if you want your investment to be sold automatically at a certain loss, enter a stop loss. You can also enter how much profit should be sold, or even let the hopper track the price and automatically sell with the trailing stop loss. We'll explain more about the trailing features in other videos. Now that we have completed everything, we check whether everything is correct. Especially with a limit order, you have to check carefully whether the price you have entered is not accidentally too high. And we place the order and ready. The order is now open on the exchange and is waiting to be filled. Watch out for limit orders. Your order will be automatically deleted after a certain time. If you want to change this, go to your configuration and you can adjust your open time when buying and selling. This determines how long orders can remain on the exchange. If you don't want orders to be removed automatically, just enter a large number. Your order has been filled. You have successfully bought Bitcoin. It now records how much profit or loss your position has made. You can even see here when your hopper plans to resell your position. Professional traders use this screen provided by our friends from TradingView to analyze the market. Learn more about TradingView and market analysis in our Analyze the Market video. You now know the basics of buying and selling manually. Trade safely.